Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we have the power 2 and the root of number 5, so we can put into s to the power of 2 over 5. This one, we have s to the power of 5 over 8. This one, we have 12s to the power of negative number 5. This one, we have 9s to the power of negative number 4. Now, we have the formula for everything in here. So, if we do first the derivative of s to the power of n, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. And now, we apply the formula for everything in here. So, if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2 over 5 s to the power of 2 over 5 minus number 1. So, n represent about 2 over 5 in here. About this one, that's about s to the power of number 1. So, this one we have 1s to the power of 1 minus number 1. This one, 6s to the power of 5. This one, we have 5 over 8 s to the power of 5 over 8 minus 1. This one, we have negative number 5s to the power of negative number 6. Because negative number 5 minus 1, we have negative number 6. This one, negative number 3s to the power of negative number 4. This one, we have negative number 6s to the power of negative number 7. This one, we have number 1. This one, we have negative number 5s to the power of negative number 6. This one, we have negative number 4s to the power of negative number 5. This one, we have negative number 3s to the power of negative number 4. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Now, we need to simplify everything in here. So, 2 over 5 minus number 1. We have negative number 3 over 5. This one, we have 0, so we just have number 1. This one, we have negative number 3 over 8. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.